This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes. Power cycle the camera and the paired device because many errors clear after a reset. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 20% and there's roughly 100 MB free storage to allow system checks. Remove the SD card and any external accessories so you're testing the camera alone. This quickly isolates whether the error is software or hardware related, and it gets you ready for the next, deeper diagnostic step. Now run the camera's built-in diagnostics or firmware check. This reveals firmware mismatches or component faults. If diagnostics show settings corruption, perform a factory reset. Backup photos first because resets erase user data. Once reset, format a spare SD card using the camera's format option, or test the camera without any card to see if the error persists. These steps refresh firmware state and file system structures. They often clear errors caused by corrupted settings or incompatible cards. Finish by updating to the latest firmware. Manufacturers release fixes for common errors, so this step often resolves persistent faults. After updating, test the camera with another lens or cable if applicable to rule out accessory failures. If the error remains, record the exact error code and behavior, then reboot again before contacting support. This data speeds diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see intermittent errors, swap the SD card and test on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.